Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl No Fury and I'm coming back to y'all with another video. This video is going to be an update on my skincare setback / Murad review. I'm going to go over with you guys my experience with using the kit so far, what I like and didn't like about the products in the kit, some different products that I've added to my regimen. I definitely feel like I'm ready to show y'all my regimen now. Now that I've been using it for a while. I definitely have this down pat and I definitely won't be using anything else because this stuff was expensive. This stuff costs some money, but it works. I'm definitely going to put in some before and after pictures in here just so y'all know what I'm comparing my skin now to. But yeah, if you want to know more about my skincare routine and my update and all that good stuff, just keep watching. So first I'm going to talk about the Radiant Renewal Kit that I did an initial review on. It looks like this. I saved the box. It came with all this stuff in it. So I'm just going to go down the list of the products in the box of what I like and what I didn't like and what I'm still using. So one, the cleanser, the Essential-C Cleanser, I no longer use that cleanser. I lied. I use it, but it's sparingly. I'll use it when I just feel like I don't need to use my other cleansers, which I will show you in a few minutes. It just didn't do much for me. I didn't really see much of a difference in using it, and I felt like it kind of broke me out, so I stopped using it. So instead I replaced it with the Murad Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Acne Cleanser, and it looks like this. So this is the actual full size that I purchased. This is the Time Release Acne Cleanser. It says this medicated gel cream cleanser is specifically formulated for adult acne prone skin to help clear blemishes and purify skin without over drying, which is true. Encapsulated salicylic acid provides a sustained release of acne medication, while hyaluronic acid helps skin retain moisture for a clearer, soft complexion. It treats breakouts for 8 hours. That's the main reason why I purchased this cleanser, because I wanted something to help my acne and help my complexion at the same time. This stuff works so well, and I used to hate salicylic acid because I did my research. A lot of drugstore cleansers have too much salicylic acid in their products. This only has 0.5%, which I feel like is exactly enough. I'll get maybe 1 pimple a week, maybe 2. Like I have 2 right now on this side, but I know they'll be gone by tomorrow because I just cleansed my face with this. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I paid around $30 for it. I believe it retails for $40. Yeah, love this stuff, and I replaced the Essential-C Cleanser with this product. I'm going to treat the Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. It looks like this. I owe my pigments, like my dark spots, lightening up to this product. This stuff works so well, and I really thought that it would be drying to my skin, but it's really not. It's actually pretty moisturizing, and it doesn't make my acne flare up. Like I know my marks are still a little dark, but it's gotten so much better. Like, I'm going to insert a before and after picture in here somewhere. It's gotten so much better, you guys. Like, this stuff is amazing. I also saw that Makeup Shayla uses this, or used this, and she raved about it, so I was so happy when I saw that it was in my kit. I only have a little bit left, but I will definitely think about purchasing the full size. The full size is around like $70. Ugh. But yeah, it's definitely worth it. I absolutely love this serum. It works so well. So the next thing would be the Intensive C Radiance Peel. I don't have that next to me. I don't feel like getting it. I still use it occasionally. It's like a exfoliant, but you just leave it on and don't mess with it. It exfoliates by itself. I kind of replaced that with the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and it looks like this. This is the bomb.com. I only use this maybe 3 times a week because I don't want to over exfoliate, but I need to exfoliate to get rid of these dark marks. This is also fading my dark marks. Stuff is absolutely amazing. It's an intensive triple action exfoliator with proprietary blend of salicylic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acids. It polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation, reveals smoother skin and a brighter, younger looking complexion. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I have sensitive skin and this does not bother me at all. This also retailed around $40 and I got it for around $30 because I work at Massage Envy, so I get a discount on all Murad products. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It foams up. Unlike the other cleanser, this cleanser, it doesn't foam up. It literally just, I don't know, it doesn't foam up at all. So it's kind of like you're massaging a lotion. But this foams up, and this is a really good cleanser. And I noticed immediate softness when I use this product. So the next one would be like my moisturizers. The Essential-C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I still use that only because I have not found a good SPF cream to use for my skin. It doesn't really, I feel like it doesn't really help me with like brightening my dark marks. It's more so there for SPF so my skin doesn't get darker in the sun. If you don't know, if you have dark marks, you go out in the sun, it does make them darker. The moisturizer, the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, that little container, I don't know if you watched my previous video, it was like a little ass container, and I said this would not last 30 days, and it didn't. It only lasted me probably like 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half. So I had to find my own moisturizer. So I've been going in with this. This is the Burt's Bees Hydrating Gel Cream. I use this more so as a serum than a moisturizer. I use that as a serum and I pat that in, and then I go in with my Nivea Soft Lotion Cream. It's for your face, body, and hands. I absolutely love this stuff. It doesn't clog my pores. It makes my skin super soft and it's not too heavy. I love that. The Invisablur Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30 is the primer that I got in this box. I use it in a lot of my recent makeup tutorials. I love that as a primer. I'm probably going to buy that full size because it does such a good job of creating a barrier between my skin and the makeup. And it does smooth my pores down. I like that a lot. Here it is. It looks like this. And then as my last step, I do use an eye cream. I started using, well, it's an eye gel. My esthetician that I go to, if Ashley watches this, hey girl. She told me to start using eye cream. You can never be too young to start anti-aging properties with your skin. So I have this Yes to Cucumber Soothing Sensitive Skin Eye Gel. And I absolutely love this stuff. It's like super moisturizing. And I only need a little bit to go under my eyes. And my under eyes do get dry because when you bake so much under your eyes with that setting powder, it can create wrinkles. So I am trying to prevent that, and it makes my under eyes super soft. As for how my skin and how it's doing, I definitely can tell a difference in using these products. My skin is glowing, my skin is smoother, my skin is radiant. My marks are fading, and I'm so excited about that because I've always wanted my skin to be mark free. My texture has definitely changed. I do have a little bit of texture up here from scarred pores, but that'll help with the that'll go away with the exfoliation. So I'm just, I'm taking my time. When it comes to skincare, you literally cannot rush it. Like, you can't rush it. When you rush it, that's when you get acne. That's when you get more dark marks. That's when you get more scarring. You can't rush it. So this time around, I'm being very patient, and I'm very happy where I am now with my skin. It's a huge difference for me, and I can't wait to see where my skin can go with these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and remember, stay furious.